Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of fishing accessories with a close look at the busted fishing line winder for spinning reels. If you're an angler looking for the best line spooler for your spinning reels, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off by talking about why this line winder stands out from the rest. First and foremost, it's all about quality. Constructed with commercial-grade aluminum and stainless steel components, this line winder is built to last a lifetime. Say goodbye to flimsy, unreliable spoolers. This one is designed to endure the toughest fishing conditions. One of the key features of the busted fishing line winder is its ability to prevent line dig-in while increasing reel capacity. This means you can spool your line with confidence, knowing that it will perform flawlessly when you're out on the water. Plus, it's engineered to work seamlessly with the Bee's Knees fishing reel spooler, giving you the ultimate spooling experience. Using the busted fishing line winder is a breeze. Simply attach it to a standard 18V cordless drill, and you're ready to go. The CNC machined gearbox and components ensure smooth and efficient operation, while the replaceable rubber pads and cone provide a secure grip on your spool. It's a simple yet ingenious design that makes spooling your line a cinch. And let's talk about durability. As any angler knows, fishing gear needs to withstand some serious wear and tear. That's why the busted fishing line winder is built to last. Whether you're re-spooling your reels for the upcoming season or gearing up for a marathon fishing session, you can trust that this line winder will perform time and time again. So there you have it, the busted fishing line winder for spinning reels. With its commercial-grade quality, innovative design, and unmatched durability, it's truly the best line spooler on the market. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, investing in quality gear like this will take your fishing game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing!